Welcome to Broken Electronics. I'm Lee, and I am so glad that you have stumbled onto my little corner of YouTube here. This is, of course, a retro tech channel focusing primarily on devices and computers made by Apple computers. The earliest that I've done, at least up to now, goes back to 1993 with a Newton MessagePad 100. Ranging up to 2015 with several MacBook Pros where I've done some upgrading. But the primary focus has been on Power Macs, ranging from the G3 blue and white all the way up to the G5 Quad, including the G5 Quad. But this channel started out dealing primarily with Mac Pros. And I'd like to talk about how the name Broken Electronics came about. Some of the machines that I have dealt with are actually broken, and I've had to fix them. The majority of them have been working, and I have upgraded them to try to get them to function as well as possible in today's computing world. But yes, it goes back to Mac Pros. I had picked up a Mac Pro, bare bones machine. It had a little bit of damage on one of the legs, was clearly in the pictures and was clearly indicated in the description on eBay. But I bought it, and I upgraded it, and upgraded it, and upgraded it, and it's sitting right here in front of me. It's my daily driver now. But the more I worked on it, the more that little tiny imperfection began to grate on me, and I kept thinking maybe I can find one that will be in a little bit better shape. So I found one on eBay, had it shipped, perfect, pristine condition from all the pictures. And this is what arrived. These handles and the feet and the bottom are so delicate. And the guy who shipped it had no clue. Now, he knocked a good chunk off the price, and the machine does run. Okay, but that's what happened. So what did I do? I bought another one. It's currently downstairs. It's the main computer in my music studio. This came from a computer store in Calgary. And I remember when it arrived, looking at the box. And I guess they didn't have a box that would actually fit it, so they cobbled one together out of pieces of boxes. And on the side of it was this sign. Not exactly what one wants to see on the side of his newly delivered Mac Pro. Now, that sign just happened to be on there. It was it was on the part of the box that they had used to cobble together the shipping box. It was a computer store that packaged it. They had some idea of what they were doing, and it arrived beautifully intact. All right. But I remember thinking at that point, if I actually do go about rebranding this as a tech channel, because it wasn't originally, I'm gonna grab that name, Broken Electronics. So there you go. This is Broken Electronics. There's nothing glitzy here. Nothing really fancy. It's very much, the amateur attempt. It's just me indulging in my love of computers and old computers and messing around with them, trying to get them to work better. And I've really enjoyed sharing that. I hope that you will enjoy and that you'll stay with this. And if you do, stay tuned.